So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get a blue verified badge on Instagram account with even no followers. So what you have to do is you have to first of all go to your profile section, and after that you have to tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices. And after that you have to scroll through this page, and here under for professionals section you get an option Meta Verified. If you are not seeing this option, you need to update your application. For that purpose you can go to your App Store or Play Store. So tap on Meta Verified, and here it is giving me all the packages they have, and after availing any of the package I'll have a blue tick at the top. If you want only a verified blue tick, you can go with the very first package, in which you get the verified badge and other features like search optimization, upgraded profile features, and some kind of other features. And in my currency it charges 1750 rupees, which is almost $8. But if you are a regular content creator and you want enhanced features, you can go with the business plan and business premium, and also business max, which costs almost $120 per month. So this is a good update by Instagram, in which you don't need a specific number of followers or anything like that. You have to only pay for it and you'll get a verified badge even if you are a creator with 0 followers. So after selecting the package, you have to simply tap on Get Business Standard. And if you have chosen another plan like Business Plus, it will write Get Business Plus. So for the time, let's go with Get Business Standard. And it is showing me all the features that I'll get, including that verified badge. So press the continue button, and this will only take a few seconds to redirect us to the next screen. And now it is asking for us the money, and for paying that money we'll have to first set up our debit or credit card. And for doing so, we have to minimize Instagram for the time and go to our settings of our phone. I am on iPhone, but even if you are on Android, your payment section would still be somewhere in settings. And after going into your Apple account, you'll have this option payment and shipping. So you have to tap on it, and here it will ask you to enter your card details. I have already added a card. You have to enter the card number, its expiry date, the CVV, which is a 3-digit word written at the back of your bank card. And after entering the card details, when you go back to Instagram account and press that continue button, it will simply charge your bank card that you added here with a specific amount of money which it has mentioned on the previous page. And just after that, you'll have a blue tick on your Instagram account. Your card will be charged every month at that date on which you had subscribed to this package. So that's how you get a blue tick on Instagram. Thank you so much.